Hello, I'm in a 2012 F-150 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here you should see this release lever that will pull. That pops in. If you could hear it, was the safety releasing. And if this is just completely loose, you might need to double check behind this plastic for that cord. That cable there should be attached. But now that we did that, the hood should be slightly loose. So if you'll hear there's a little lever, we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And these got these nice hydraulics to hold it up for you. But this is what that lever looked like I pushed. Make sure nothing's broken or bent or stuck in this system that needs fixed. There's where that is really moving now from that lever. And if there's something, if it's really sticking, maybe some WD-40 to loosen this up. Yep, that's all the angles of that. And then up there is where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure it's not bent. And I'd double check too that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, and that might cause issues with this hooking properly. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.